Have you been involved in a car accident on 62nd Avenue North in St. Petersburg or Pinellas Park? If so, we handle these types of car accident claims day in and day out here at St. Petersburg Personal Injury Attorneys McQuaid and Douglas. So we're intimately familiar with 62nd Avenue North, and it starts, at least on the east side, in St. Petersburg along the bay. And as it heads west, what we see is a ton of car accident cases at the intersection of 62nd Avenue North and 4th Street North. For one reason or another, that is a very high accident intersection. We are constantly seeing car accidents there and also representing people who have been injured in car accidents at that intersection. And as you head west, another dangerous intersection that you really would not think of is 9th Street North and 62nd Avenue. There used to be a 7-Eleven at that intersection. It's now been moved. There's a Shell station on one corner. There's a Winn-Dixie on the other, Winn-Dixie Shopping Center. In any event, for one reason or another, there are a ton of accidents at that 9th Street North and 62nd Avenue North location, and I'm not quite sure why. As you head west, past Northeast High School on your left-hand side, past Meadow Lawn, past Sawgrass Lake Park on the north side of the road. Another intersection that we see a lot of accidents at is 62nd Avenue North and Haynes Road, and also 62nd Avenue North and 34th Street North. In addition to car accidents at that intersection, we see a lot of pedestrian accidents. A lot of people, for one reason or another, walk back and forth around that intersection. There's a Wawa on the, I guess that's the northwest corner. So a lot of people, especially living in those motels and also in the housing back there on Haynes Road, for one reason or another, a lot of pedestrian accidents in addition to car accidents at that intersection. And then as you head west, past Northside Hospital, we really don't see accidents at 62nd Avenue North and 49th Street. It's a relatively safe intersection. We don't get an uptick until you get to 62nd Avenue North and 66th Street North. Of course, that's Pinellas Park. And again, a lot of accidents at that intersection. And we really don't see, as you continue to head west, we don't see many accidents there on west until 62nd Avenue ends on Park Street. So those are really the high volume car accident and pedestrian accidents on 62nd Avenue North in St. Petersburg and Pinellas Park. Now, if you are involved in a car accident or even a pedestrian accident, I mean, Northside Hospital is right there. It's centrally located, and a lot of our clients will go to Northside Hospital. If you're injured in St. Petersburg, a lot of our clients will go down to Bayfront, St. Pete General, St. Anthony's. But again, most of our other clients who are injured in Pinellas Park, you go to Northside Hospital. It's a no-brainer. After the accident, after you get yourself emergency medical treatment, I encourage everyone to contact a car accident lawyer, because the next step in the process is setting up a claim with the insurance companies and then also directing your treatment to get in with specialists that handle car accident injuries. Now, most people don't know that your primary care physicians or your family doctors, they don't handle car accident claims because of the intricacies in dealing with the motor vehicle insurance, the PIP, or no-fault insurance. So they won't do it. So by the time you go to your family doctor, you check in with them, they tell you no, you don't know who to go to, you've already lost several days that the insurance companies will look at, and they will unfortunately devalue your claim as a result of that gap in treatment. So contact a car accident lawyer immediately. That lawyer should be able to direct you to medical providers that handle car accident injuries. Here at St. Petersburg Personal Injury Attorneys McQuaid and Douglas, we know absolutely everybody in St. Petersburg and Pinellas Park, and we'll be able to set you up with a good medical provider, an honest medical provider, and somebody that's just not in it for the money. So if you have any questions regarding a car accident or a pedestrian accident, on 62nd Avenue North in St. Petersburg or Pinellas Park, please contact us for a free consultation.